My name is Willoughby, and I'm going to talk about refugees and internally displaced persons in Pakistan. Why, how many, and where are they? So first we need to talk about what is a refugee and internally displaced person. So a refugee is someone who has been forced to flee his or her country because of persecution, war, or violence, whereas an internally displaced person is someone forced to flee their homes but never crosses an international border. It's important to note that Pakistan has a large number of both refugees and IDPs, internally displaced persons. So why are the refugees fleeing and why do we have so many IDPs in Pakistan? The first is to escape war and conflict. In 1979, the refugees started with the Soviet invasion. A large number have continued throughout time. However, in 2009, Operation Black Thunderstorm also sent a large number of refugees into Pakistan as well. Why also we have refugees and internally displaced people is because they are trying to escape persecution. This can be religious persecution or any other type of persecution as well. A large number of IDPs come from natural disasters. Earthquakes and flooding has left many without good homes, good land, so they are now fleeing to other parts of Pakistan. So how many? It's estimated that there's 2.7 million persons of concern, or refugees and internally displaced people living in other parts of Pakistan. So first we have Afghan refugees with proof of registration. Those are card holders, so they are documented, we know their numbers, and that's currently at about 1.5 million. There's estimated that there is also an additional 1 million that are not registered, so we don't know about these individuals. As far as IDPs, we currently have about 1.1.5 million, whereas we have quite a few of those not living in camps. So the number of IDPs underestimate the scale of displacement. That does not include unregistered IDPs, and as well as IDPs living in other parts of Pakistan. There's also no regular monitoring of IDPs in Balochistan, so we don't really know the numbers there. Pakistan hosts the world's second largest amount of refugees, and they were in the first place for quite a while. Now they have only taken second to Turkey after the Syrian War. The UNHCR, which is the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, they facilitated the return of 4.2 million registered Afghans from Pakistan. We can see at this map over here, from the beginning of April to the end of November in 2017, almost 60,000 Afghan refugees have been repatriated back to Afghanistan. So while many Afghans return home, there are still hundreds of thousands of them in Pakistan. Because of security concerns and political tension with Afghanistan and Pakistan, there's been an influx recently in refugees returning to Afghanistan. So where are they? The refugees, 70% of refugees live in rural and urban host communities rather than refugee camps. While Afghan refugees have access to public schools and hospitals, they often face police harassment and find it difficult to rent properties. Whereas most IDPs live in Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa, and the FATA, the federally administered tribal areas. Punjab and Sindh, which are Pakistan's two richest provinces, have expressively refused to host IDPs.